Nail Art Wrap Foil Transfer Adhesive Sticker Rolls Acrylic. Awesome foil kit. Patterns were awesome. Daughter and I both love this kit. The glue works better than most brands we have tried. Tools and glitters were a nice addition to a great kit. MSmask Lovely 24 Sheets 3D White Flower Manicure Nail. Gorgeous. Nice quality. I have many varieties of this type of nail decal. These are some of the best I have seen yet. Nicely surprised. CC and SISI Nail Art Wrap Stickers W Nail File and. These nail art stickers are great. My daughter had a party and they all got to have their nails done without the nasty smell of polish and they looked very cute. Great product and I highly recommend it. I received this product for a discounted price in exchange for my honest opinion. Lovely Sweet Water Transfer 3D Cartoon Black Gray Cute. Love these. They're easy to use and offer a nice touch to your nail designs. I got a lot of compliments and am happy with my purchase. Born Pretty One Sheet Cute Panda Pussy Vivid Feather. These panda water decals are some of my favorites I have. Fit on your nail nicely, and just too cute. Premium Mash 10PC Halloween Nail Art 3D. They came in a little cardboard box wrapped in bubble wrap. Packaging was perfect for these little faux clay, Halloween design sticks. Nothing was cracked, broke, or duplicated, of course not, it's mash. Cut thin with a X-Acto knife, they will last several seasons, of course I will share. I have thought of using an old school pencil sharpener to slice them with, and if I happen to find one I will give it a try. Overall, I'm looking forward to the Christmas sticks they will have pretty soon. Future 3D Designs Cute Nail Art Manicure Faux Canes. I love nice shop. These are really pretty and always what they describe is what you get. Yes, Surprise 1 Pack 3D Beautiful Landscape Nail Art Tips Pack. Best nail wraps I've tried yet. These stayed on for weeks, and thanks to the clear background it wasn't visible as my nails grew out. Removal was super easy and requires no nail polish remover. Excellent product. 1 Sheet 3D Beautiful Landscape Nail Art Tips Pack. These are pretty cool looking. They are not opaque, which I thought they would be from the pictures. They are more translucent, so you will want to choose the right polish underneath. They are also glossy and have a little sparkle shimmer, which is lovely, but also not something you can see super clearly from the image.